Guys, we're gonna put on this this brush cutter. So we got some thick brush. We need to just swap this out because we'll be going through string all day with this. So you'll see right here that opening. That opening goes right here, and then you'll see, if I can get all this out of the way, you'll see this line up to a hole. You can stick in there and hold it. I'm gonna take this off just to get it out of the way and see if it's causing me problems. I don't know if it is or not, but I don't want to break anything. It looks like you turn it to the right to get it off, so that's what I'll do. I'm turning it this way. It's actually coming off. Turn it to the right. Turn it to the right and it'll come off. We'll have to turn it to the left to put it back in place. Okay. So it is number 2. This part goes down. So we'll put the washer on first. This part goes down into here. All right. This is the side that's going to go down. This part goes in here. That. Put your finger on here as you put it on there, and then start turning it to the left. Go back to this hole we were talking about and line it up to where you can stick a screwdriver in there, okay? We're gonna stick this in there and hold it in place. And we're gonna tighten it best we can. Be careful with these blades. Now we're good to go. The product link will be in the description. If you like the video, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.